Hi everybody, it's Mindy. Welcome to the Yarn and Rooster episode. We have a rooster. I think he'll stop. Right now, he's crazy. He's crazy crowing. I don't know, birds are great. They're crazy today. The bird feeder is covered with cardinals and blue jays. There's a woodpecker, a bunch of little birds, the juncos, and the farmer's field next door is filled with crows. I don't know what's going on with the birds today. Anyhow, we're here to talk about yarn today. Yarn! Yes, I have been out doing yarny things and I just can't help myself. I'm hooked. Okay, so I found this on Instagram. And it's a company, or I guess it's a company, and they're called Crochet One. Crochet One, one project at a time. They have kits, they have crochet alongs. This is a crochet along. This is a crochet along that will run all year. This is a Christmas project. So this is the very first, I don't know what that was. This is the very first installation of the project. It's a blanket, and this is the first few rows, I guess. So we're gonna look at it. This is non-renewable. It's not like I had to get the whole thing at once. I didn't. They will ask you, look how cute this is though. Look at how it's packaged up. I hope you can see it. They will ask you to renew each month if you want to continue. I mean, I suppose if you don't want to continue at some point, you can just keep going with the blanket the way that you want after that. I don't know. Anyhow, let's get into it and let's see what we have. Okay, there's cute stuff in here. There's lots of cute stuff in here. All right. So first of all, I have a little card here, a little envelope with a little card. Let's see what's in it. Oh, this is super cute. It's a stitch marker. I believe it's a stitch marker, or maybe it's just a charm. It's just a charm, I think, because it has one of those little claspy hooks. Oh my gosh, I'm being invaded by crows, you guys. They're everywhere. Okay. So that's really cute. It says, thank you for supporting my small business. So it's a small business owner who's put together this. All right, this is cute. Oh, look. Oh, I really needed one of those. I don't know if you can see it or not. It's a big yarn darning needle, sew it in your end kind of needle. I don't have one with an eye that size. I'm going to put it right in that envelope. This is cool. I do have one of these. I absolutely love this. Love it. It's one of these retractable tape measures. Mine's pink. Now I have a yellow one. Love that. Came in a cute little organza bag. I'm having fun with this already. There's lots of fun stuff in here. All right, what's in here? My guess is it might be a hook. It is. It is a crochet hook. It is a 5mm crochet hook. Look, it comes in a nice little bag. It doesn't have a brand name on it or anything, but it's a 5mm. That's nice. So we get a little crochet hook with our kit. Wow, this is fun. This was $20. So going forward, each month would be $20. Nice. A little pair of sewing scissors. Aren't those cute? Those are nice too. I love it. Oh, wow. I'm having fun. All right, here is the yarns, the first few yarns. I'll show you those in just a second. But before we continue, here is our Christmas Club blanket box, January 22. All right, so here's our blanket box. This is the first month. The first box in the new year. We're glad to have you on board. Whether you sit down and get the 3 strips done in one day or you take a whole month, no problem. You got a whole year. So then, like I said, you'll be able to renew for month 2 or month 3. It shows you what it's going to look like so far, and that's not a secret. I found that before I got my kit. Look, I keep calling them the dingle balls. It's got dingle balls. And the pattern, of course, is inside. All right, and it is strip 1, which is actually 9 rows. Then you change a color, you do another couple rows, then you change a color, and you do like 4 or 5 more rows. So it's not like it's just one row. They're calling it strips, okay? So here's what we have. We have this, I don't know what you would call it, a beige kind of color. It's kind of got a little yellow hue to it. Look at on the front, it's called a short stack. It's 100% acrylic. This is for strip 3. tells you right on there. It's strip 3. All right. Again, Christmas Club short stack acrylic. This is for strip 1. It's a green. All right. Just your kind of basic yarn, you know. And then we have the little bit of white, and that'll be our little dingle balls, right? What keeps hitting things? You guys, I don't know what's going on out there. Birds hitting things, running into the house. I don't even know. All right, so that's fun. I really like all the little goodies in there. This is going to be fun. I'll probably renew it, you know, and get the whole blanket because the patterns change after those first 3 strips. Okay, so let me show you what else I got. I am totally wanting to make a blanket, okay? And I had some yarn fails where things didn't work the way that I wanted them to, didn't get the right yarns. So I returned some yarn and then I just went to Michael's hunting. And I found this. Oh my goodness. This is loop and thread yarn. It's called Barcelona Big or Barcelona Grand. There's a pattern. There's a pattern inside. Oh, there's a pattern inside on the back of the band. It is a 5 bulky weight yarn. It is, what is it made out of? 100% acrylic. Recommends a 6mm hook. I'm telling you what, this has a lot of yardage too. Where's the yardage? Is it on the front? It's 410 yards. So I really only needed 3 of these. They had 4 at my Michael's. So I got all 4. Yeah, I think it has the pattern for this blanket right here. See that pattern, that blanket? I think the pattern is inside the band. So I got all 4. Oh, it is so soft. It is going to make a beautiful, beautiful sweater. I'll probably have my hair going all over the place after this. So look, it's really weird. 2 of them came bagged. The other one's bagged. And then these 2 were just open and loose like this. But it's got pinks and purples and gray and oh my goodness. It's going to be so pretty. So that's going to be my sweater. Okay. Now, the other thing I did is somebody asked a question somewhere about getting kits. And I said I had never purchased a kit. So Hershner's has kits. So this is a little sale flyer. It came with it. They got some Christmassy things on sale. That's kind of cool. Look at that later. And I decided I want to purchase a kit. Okay, do I have prices here? I do. Okay, so I have the prices here. I went and looked at kits, and I have something else in here. I have a mystery bag of yarn. Yeah, mystery bag. I was watching somebody on YouTube, and they were talking about their mystery bag they got from Hershner's, and I was like, oh, I'm going to try that. All right, so the first thing that I saw that I really wanted to try was this shawl. All right, isn't it gorgeous? It's absolutely beautiful. The pattern's on the back of the card. It's made with willow yarn, okay? Okay. I opened up this box, and I literally went, oh, that's beautiful. Oh, that's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful yarn. Oh my goodness, you guys. I have 4 skeins of this yarn, and it's just, it's gorgeous yarn. When you look at that shawl pattern, then you look at this yarn, I'm like, oh, it's beautiful. Okay, so what is it? It's a willow verbena. There is 370 yards per ball. It is a 3-weight yarn. It is a superwash wool, 75% and 25% nylon. Again, super soft and just smooshy. And the colors, oh my gosh, can you see those colors? They're gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so that's the shawl kit. And the shawl kit was the most expensive thing I got. It was $32.99. But I mean, look at this yarn I got. Look at the yarn. The yarn is fabulous. Okay, so the next thing I got, I haven't even opened this. Look, it comes all in a little bag like this. Let's get into it. This is a scarf. Again, it's a kit. All right, so here is our pattern for the scarf. I'll show you. It's called Waves of Style Shawl. It's gonna look like that. I hope I'm getting that in the camera right. First time doing this. Waves of Style Shawl. It looks super pretty. And here is the yarn that we have for that. It has two big cakes of yarn. Okay, now it stuck itself back together, you guys. All right, here we go. This is Red Heart Roll With It Tweed. Oh, again, so soft. It's 100% acrylic, 296 yards of yarn. For a 4, it's a 4 medium weight. It's beautiful. It's called Azul. Stormy Blues. It's called Stormy Blues. Look at it. So you can tell that it has a darker gray like in the center, a lighter gray. We have the blues. It's going to be just beautiful. Super soft. Super, super soft, you guys. Love it. Love, love it. I wonder if this pattern is inside, you know? I think it is. I think there's another scarf pattern inside. So that's a bonus. I get a scarf pattern. I get the Waves of Style shawl. They call it a shawl, but it's really, well, maybe it is a shawl. I thought it was just a scarf, but actually now that I look at it, it's looking like a shawl. And then there's a scarf pattern inside the band. Love it. This is so nice. So I have 2 big old skeins of that. 2 big skeins of that. I didn't realize it was a shawl. I guess I thought it said scarf, but it doesn't. So that was $9.99. That wasn't bad, right? $9.99. So this one I'm certain was more expensive because of the type of yarn that came with it, because that yarn is just fantastic. Now, the mystery bag. The mystery bag. It comes in a bag. What do we get in the mystery bag? Well, let's find out. Okay, let's get into it. All right, there went 1 skein already. Okay, so apparently the mystery bags are a lot of this willow yarn. I don't know if that's like their brand or what. This is made in China. It's 75% acrylic, 25% wool. This is a 5 weight. So this is a bulky yarn. And it's called Azalea, the Willow Burrow bulky weight yarn. Wow. And it's called Azalea. Look at that. It's pretty nice. It's not a lot thicker than a 4. Yeah, it's not a lot thicker than I would, think a 4 would be. Not super bulky or anything, but wow, super pretty color. I got 2 of those. 2, okay? And then they send me 2 more of the same yarn, but they're a different color. This one is called Rosette. So there's 2 skeins of Rosette, okay? So now, look, if you have the 2 skeins of Rosette and you have the 2 skeins of Azalea, look, they're matchy-matchy. They go together. Look it, you could make something really nice with those 4 skeins of yarn, right? And it's really a nice yarn. It's pretty soft. I like it. It feels good. I like it, okay? This is a win-win. Okay, finally I have a win-win for buying yarn stuff online. All right, now what else do we have? Ah, we got some fun stuff. What are these? Okay, this is willow yarn again, and it's called Drift. This is 275 yards. This is a little fingering weight yarn. Oh, maybe they're calling it a 3. It looks pretty thin, but they're calling it a 3. Hang on. Can you see it? Yeah. It is 70% superwash wool and 30% rayon from bamboo. Wow, we have some bamboo. This is called limestone. And you can see it is a yellow and gray. Very pretty. Very pretty. And that's a lot of yarn. Each of those is 275 skeins. So that's a lot of yarn. Right? Yeah, it'll be super pretty. Can you see it? Can you see it? Super pretty. Okay, so that should make something. Hats, scarves, we'll find something, right? And then there are 2 more, the same type of yarn, except a different color. Ooh, and this one's super pretty. What color is this? This is called Iceberg. Okay, I would not think iceberg. That reminds me of lettuce and green, but This is called Iceberg. It is browns and kind of orangey. Those are super pretty. Super, super pretty. Wow. I love those. Oh my goodness. So we have both of these, and they're both three weight. So there we go. Got those two. And then we got the other 4. So I'm super happy with this purchase, you guys. I got chunky yarn for a shawl. I got a finer yarn for a shawl. This was a good deal. The mystery bag was $14.99. All right. I had to look for it a little bit to find the mystery bag, but it's there. You can hunt. You just have to scroll down a little bit and you'll find it. But super nice, right? And this is soft. This is good. I love this. I'm happy. I'm a happy girl. Yeah. So there you go. I think that's all my yarny things I have right now. Yeah, that's it. So I'm ready to get going. I need to finish that temperature blanket. And when that I'm pointing at it. It's right there. I have like, well, let's see. I'm on the 25th of December. That's all I have left to do. And when that's done, I'm starting the sweater. Yes, that sweater. Where'd my yarn go for my sweater? I don't know. Where'd I put it? I don't know. It's gone. Oh, it's over there. But that's super soft and going to be super pretty. So stay tuned. I'm going to be showing you how these things are working out. So there you go, guys. I'll try to link the Crochet One and Hershner's below. And you can check them out for yourselves. All right. Okay. Thanks for watching, everybody. And have a great day. I think all the birds have finally settled down and stopped trying to attack my house. All right. I'll see you guys soon.